Which management app is better? Google Tasks or Google Keep? Let's begin. Basically, we already have a previous video about Google Tasks against Todoist. You might want to check our channel for that. But basically, Google Tasks is a straightforward and easy to use, making it suitable for those who prefer a minimalist approach to task management. Now, it's accessible across various devices and platforms through the web, mobile apps like iOS, Android, and desktop extensions. All right, it allows for creating tasks, setting due dates, adding notes, and organizing tasks into lists, providing functionalities for managing tasks. Tasks can be quickly added directly from Gmail or with shortcuts, enhancing convenience for Gmail users. It supports task sharing and collaboration by allowing users to share tasks or lists with others, making it suitable for simple team collaborations. Now, the problem is it has limited features compared to a more robust task management tools like Google Task. Basically, it lacks advanced productivity features found in other tools, such as recurring task or productivity tracking. While available on mobile as an app, some users might find the standalone desktop application, which Google Task doesn't provide. So it's best suited for users seeking a simple and easy to use task management tool that seamlessly integrates within the Google ecosystem. However, it might not meet the needs of users looking for a more advanced functionalities and extensive customization options. For those seeking a basic and integrated task management tool, I believe Google Tasks is the convenient choice for you. Now, we head over to our next contender, which is Google Keep. So it's basically a note tracking, note taking, and organization tool. It has a simple and intuitive interface, making it user-friendly for quickly jotting down notes, lists, and reminders. And it's also accessible in various devices and platforms, including the web, mobile apps for iOS and Android, and as a Chrome extension, ensuring notes are available across all devices. Now, it allows users to create notes in various formats, including text, checklists, images, voice recordings, and drawings, enhancing flexibility in capturing information. It offers color coding labels, tags, and search functionality, allowing users to organize and quickly find notes. Seamlessly integrates with other Google services like Google Tasks, all right? Enabling easy sharing and incorporation of notes into other documents. And again, it also enables setting reminders based on time or location and supports collaboration by allowing shared notes and collaborative editing. Now, compared to more robust note-taking apps, Google Keep, if you ask me, it lacks advanced features such as nested folders, custom tags, and extensive formatting options. While it offers labeling and color coding, it might not suit users needing complex organizational structures or hierarchies for their notes, and some users might find the formatting options limited compared to other note-taking apps, especially for rich text formatting, right? While it integrates well within the Google ecosystem, it might lack direction integration with certain third-party apps or services. But of course, Google Keep is an excellent choice for users seeking a simple and easy-to-use note-taking tool with basic organization and collaboration features. I'm using it because it's straightforward and convenient for capturing and organizing quick notes and ideas. But again, for users needing more advanced note organization, formatting options, or collaboration features, they might find other note-taking apps more suitable, right? But again, it depends on your usage or preferences. Now, the question is which one to use, all right? If you ask me, if you primarily need a simple app for managing tasks and to-do list, obviously Google Tasks is a better choice for you because it's focused on approach and integration with other Google services. But if you're looking for a more versatile tool that allows for note-taking, creating checklists, storing various type of information beyond tasks, Google Keep would be more suitable. Alright? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.